Hey, what's up everybody? This is Johnny John. Thanks for watching my channel. Today I got some cool toys again, so let's check it out. So, in front of me are the Flashpoint Megazord from Power Rangers Overdrive. In the original Japanese series, it was Siren Builder from Gogo Sentai Bow Ken Jaa. Cool, huh? So, these are comprised of three Megazords. Three Zords. 11, 12, and 13. So number 11 is Fire Truck Zord. In Japanese, it was Go Fire. Number 12, Rescue Runner 1, Go Ada, which is an ambulance. And number 13 is Rescue number 2, Go Police, which is a police vehicle. So, the Japanese Siren Builder, the name represents, all three of them are, emergency vehicles. And these are, the transformation is really simple, but it has a very cool gimmick, and I really like it. So let's check it out. So, Flashpoint Megazord, activate and combine. Silent formation. So, these vehicles, the ambulance and the police car and the fire truck. This is going to be the fire truck. Number 11 is going to be the main body, and number 12 and 13, they're going to be the arms. So basically, you just attach the arms on the side, number 12 and 13, like that. And then, here's this black stopper right here. So you widen up both sides, like that. And then, here's the cool part. Check it out. So, hold the upper section and hold the bottom section. And yank it up. Silent formation. And that's almost done. Flip the fist, rotate it, and put the stoppers down. And let me change the camera angle a little bit. And then you just basically flip this part up. And that is Flashpoint Megazord, Siren Builder. Damn, that was easy, huh? I really like this. And the fire guns, you can extend it like that. And for the finisher, he does the, there's a water gun here, here, and here. So, triple liquid bomber. He has 3 water guns, so. And, that's about it. Because there's not much articulations here, but, the fun part about this toy is, like, you can just basically yank it down. Oh, my bad. Squash down. Pop it up. Woof. This is so fun, Yeah. So that's about it with this boy. But in the original series, he can actually swap out the arms, since all the joints are almost they share the same joints. So here's the Daiboken, and then boom, he swaps out the arms, and then this is called the Siren Builder, Doza and Marine, and this one's Daiboken, Ada and Police. Cool, huh? But yeah, the height are, both of their height are almost the same, so they can just, you know, swap it out. And also, let's put him aside. You know, other auxiliary ones. So let's say number 6 and 7. This is drill and shovel. So that's Siren Builder, Drill and Shovel. And then I think in the TV series they had number 8 and 9. That's Mixer and Crane. Think so. Well, but anyhow, let's put it back. And there's another thing that I want to show you guys. This one's number 10, and you can actually wear the wings. So take off this part, and then just let's do the same with how we did the Ultimate Daiboken. And if you go to the back of Siren Builder, here's this joint. This is gonna attach to the wings, and okay, there you go. Okay, and then this part, you just snap it in, and I think this will be the connecting joints here. Yep, nice. Wow. So it didn't they didn't really show it in the TV series, but this will be really cool. You know, because they share the same color scheme. Awesome, huh? And there's another thing that I want to, you know, show you guys. And you know, since they share this same joints here, so let's use all 6, 7, 8, 9, and then do a really weird, like here you go. Wait, ta-da! Whatever this is, I don't know. So, whatever you call this thing, this is like a very chunky boy. But anyhow, that's it for today. So, thanks for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please press the button like. And if you have any other Megazords or Super Sentai toys that you want me to go over, please write a comment. So until the next video, see you next time. Johnny John John. Thanks for watching.